Hello everyone, once again welcome to Bina's Rasoi. Today I am going to make restaurant style butter chicken. So let's look at the ingredients. Here I have taken 2 tomatoes chopped, 2 onions finely chopped, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon kasuri methi or coriander leaves, 2 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, salt as per taste, 12 cashew, 2 tablespoon sugar, cream 1/4 cup, and also we have taken butter, that is half cup. Now here I have taken half kg boneless chicken which I have already cut into long strings and I have kept. And over here there are the 3 ingredients which are used for the marination of chicken, that is ginger garlic paste, chili powder and salt. The 2 basic components for butter chicken is main the marinated chicken and the other one is the gravy. So now I'm going to marinate the chicken with ginger garlic paste, red chili powder and salt. Now we have to give a nice mix to all these so that it's overly coated with all the masala, and we need to keep this at least for 15 to 20 minutes aside. Now it's already 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's pan frying it. So now I'm going to fry all my chicken. This should be from high to low. And we need to see that our chicken has been cooked properly on both the sides. So we need to keep stirring it. So now here you can see our chicken is almost done and ready. So I'm going to remove it on the dish. Now in the same pan, I am going to add butter. Since it's a butter chicken, butter is a must. And to it, I am going to add the onions which are finely chopped. And this should be from high to low flame. We need to keep stirring it till the onion changes its color. Now you can see the onions have changed its color. Now to it I am going to add the tomatoes and the cashew, and I am going to saute it for another 2 minutes. Keep stirring it. Now to it I am going to add 1 cup of water. Again I am going to give a stir and I am going to cover the lid and get it cooked for another 5 minutes. So now I can see the boil to the gravy is evenly mixed. So now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, garam masala, salt, vinegar. If not vinegar, you can even use lemon juice, and sugar. Sugar, why we need is butter chicken is slightly sweet in taste. So that is the reason we need sugar. So now I'm going to give a stir. And again I'm going to cover the lid. Again 5 minutes done. You can see our gravy masala is ready. So I'm going to let it get cool. Now the mixture has been cooled down. So I'm going to transfer it in a mixer bowl. And we need to grind it in a fine puree. So now you can see the puree is ready, but we find it thick. So I'm going to add another ½ cup of water so that the consistency is equal. And again I'm going to grind it. So here's the gravy mixture ready for a butter chicken. Now I'm going to reheat the mixture again. Keep stirring it. And this should be on the medium flame. Now you can see the boils are coming out. So to it I am going to add the kasuri methi. If not, you can even add coriander leaves. So the alternative is always there. And after a stir, I'm going to add the cooked chicken to the gravy, and I'm again going to stir it for another 5 minutes. Even this should be on the medium flame. I'm going to stir it for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Even this should be on the medium flame. And to it, now again I'm going to cover it the lid and again cook it for another 5 minutes. Now it's almost 5 minutes done. You can see the boil again. And finally I'm going to add the fresh cream to it. Without it, there's no fun. Wow, it's really looking yummy. It's got a good color, good texture. You can see. Now again I'm going to mix it evenly. This gives nice taste to your butter chicken, the creamy taste. So now I'm going to mix it well. This should be on the low flame. So keep stirring it and cook it for 2 minutes. So now let's put off the gas off. So here's the creamy butter chicken which is ready to serve. A restaurant style butter chicken. Wow. So now finally goes in the fresh cream. Wow. And our butter chicken is almost ready to serve. Chicken makhan wala, chicken makhani or butter chicken. Recipe remains same to all. So please do try and enjoy.